Hi everyone, today we are making stir-fry yellow noodle with minced pork and fish bowl that is so flavorful. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We have yellow noodle, sliced bok choy, minced pork, fish balls, sliced spring onion, and bean sprout. For the seasonings, we have oyster sauce, sugar, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, minced garlic, and vegetable oil. Marinating the pork before cooking is so important, and we are going to do that with half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a few dashes of pepper. We're then going to let this sit for 10 minutes. Let's start cooking. We're going to heat up some vegetable oil in the pan and add in your minced garlic. Stir fry until they become really fragrant. After a quick while, you can then add in your marinated minced pork and combine this really well. When your minced pork is halfway done, you can then add in your fish balls. You can also use different kind of balls. We're just going to give this a quick mix and then you can add in your vegetable. I'm using here bok choy, but you can also use Chinese cabbage or a similar kind of vegetable that you can find. When the bok choy have softened up, you can then add in your bean sprout. If you are a big fan of the crunch that the bean sprout gives, you can definitely add more. This dish is very customizable. You can add any kind of vegetable that you like. Followed by the yellow noodle and your seasonings. When you're doing this, make sure your heat is on low. We add in the dark soy sauce mainly for its beautiful rich color. So add more dark soy sauce if you would like your noodles to be darker in color. We are now on to our final step. You can then add in your spring onion. Mine is a bit chunky in size, but you can definitely thinly slice this. Sprinkle on top, give it a few quick toss and you're done. And it's ready to be served. I really like the texture of the yellow noodle and how it absorbs the sauce. It's so good and so flavorful. You can also customize the protein in this dish. If you don't want to use minced pork, you can use other kind of meat. It's so delicious. I really hope you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.